What up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala. I'm back today with a video. In today's video, I am doing a just an unboxing of some new perfumes that my husband purchased for me. I had them for a while, maybe like a few weeks or so, and I kept saying I'm going to do a video, and I just haven't gotten around to it, but I'm going to do it now because we're actually about to head out, and I wanted to spray one of them on. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a nice thumbs up, leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because we know you're gonna like it. So the perfumes that I have is the Good Girl by Herrera and the YSL LIBRE, the Eau de Parfum. Yes, your girl had a French class, okay? So and I didn't know it was different levels. They have the toilette, they have this one, and I think they have an intense. So I'm gonna open up the Good Girl first to see, you know, what it smells like. I mean, I've smelled these in Ulta, but it's been a while. So, but I do know that they're good. They smell good. All of the girls recommend. Sharika B, Chelsea, Gina Janine, all of the girls, okay? So, yeah. Let me go ahead and open up the box. And hopefully my light is okay. And here is so yeah. Oh, this box, I like this box. It has like the suede velvety feeling. I'm gonna open it up. And it's the 1 ounce bottle. So. Oh, this is so cute. I mean, even though I know the bottle is gonna look like this, but just to have it for my own self, for myself, it's so cute. Can you mute that, please? So, take it off. It's like this. Take it off. Oh, this is kind of like a a weapon. Let's see. This is cute. So I'm gonna spray. I'm not gonna spray it on because I don't know which one I wanna put on today. So I'm just gonna spray it inside here. Smells so good. Yeah, I was gonna try to go into the fragrant notes, but and I don't have my glasses, but I can see up close, but just not far away. But I don't know. It's probably on about somewhere, but I don't want to hold you guys too long. So, oh, yeah, this is so cute. I got it. Alrighty. And again, this was the Good Girl by Herrera. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have this. I'm late to the party, but I'm in the party though. I'm here. And now I'm going to open up the YSL LIBRE. I was about, like I said before, my husband and I were about to go to the store. So lay around for those videos as well. So let me open up the box. I'm gonna get rid of the boxes, but I still don't want to, you know, rip them all up. Oh yes, the packaging. YSL. so crude. Take the top off. So I'm gonna spray into the top. I always do that. Like if I'm trying to smell something, I spray it into the top, and not on my body. Oh, it smells so good. So yeah, and this is the 1 ounce bottle. So I'm so happy. Got my Perfumes. But yeah, like I said, it was just a quick unboxing video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a nice thumbs up, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, bye bye.